Anthurium Andraeanum. My FAQs about the flamingo flower. The Anthurium Andraeanum, often called the flamingo flower, has become a staple in many homes. Its vibrant blooms and lush foliage add a touch of the tropics to any indoor space. But with its exotic origins, caring for this beauty can raise some questions. Here Ferbu, answer some of the most common inquiries about the Anthurium Andraeanum. What is an Anthurium Andraeanum? Native to the warm, humid rainforests of Colombia and Ecuador, the Anthurium Andraeanum is a flowering plant belonging to the Araceae family. Renowned for its long-lasting blooms, it's prized for its ornamental value. The most striking feature of the Anthurium Andraeanum is its brightly colored, waxy flower. This is actually a modified leaf called a spada, which comes in a range of colors from red, pink, and orange to white. The true flowers are tiny and clustered on a spike-like spadix protruding from the center of the spada. The Anthurium Andraeanum is a monocotyledonous perennial, meaning it has one seed leaf and lives for multiple years. It thrives in warm, well-lit, and humid environments, making it a perfect houseplant for many climates. Anthurium Andraeanum versus peace lily, the low-maintenance showdown. Both the Anthurium Andraeanum and the peace lily, Spathiphyllum wallacei, are popular low-maintenance houseplants known for their air-purifying properties. Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide which might suit you better. Light. The Anthurium Andraeanum prefers bright, indirect sunlight, while the peace lily tolerates lower light conditions. Humidity. Both plants appreciate humidity, but the Anthurium Andraeanum requires slightly more. Watering. The Anthurium Andraeanum needs watering when the top inch of soil dries out, while the peace lily will droop dramatically when thirsty. Blooms. The Anthurium Andraeanum boasts vibrant, long-lasting blooms, while the peace lily produces elegant white flowers that don't last as long. If you have a bright bathroom or kitchen with good humidity, the Anthurium Andraeanum might be your champion. If lower light is more your situation, the forgiving peace lily could be a perfect match. How to care for your Anthurium Andraeanum. Bringing a touch of the tropics indoors is easy with the right care. Here are some key tips for keeping your Anthurium Andraeanum happy and blooming. Light. Provide bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid direct sun exposure, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water thoroughly when the top inch of soil dries out. Don't let the plant sit in waterlogged soil. Humidity. Increase humidity around the plant using a pebble tray or humidifier. Misting regularly can also be helpful. Soil. Use a well-draining, acidic potting mix. Arrowed mix or orchid bark are good options. Fertilizer. Apply a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength during the growing season, spring and summer. Temperature. Maintain temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. With proper care, your Anthurium Andraeanum can reward you with stunning blooms for months on end. Common Anthurium Andraeanum problems and solutions. Even with the best intentions, problems can arise. Here are some common Anthurium Andraeanum issues and how to address them. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or excessive light. Adjust your watering schedule and provide appropriate light. Yellowing leaves. Similar to brown leaves, this can be due to watering issues or lack of nutrients. Check your watering routine and fertilize if needed. Stunted growth or lack of blooms. This might indicate insufficient light or nutrients. Increase light exposure and fertilize during the growing season. Pests, mealybugs, and spider mites can occasionally be a problem. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil for control. By identifying the cause and taking corrective action, you can get your Anthurium Andraeanum back on track. Enjoying your Anthurium Andraeanum. With its elegant blooms and lush foliage, the Anthurium Andraeanum is a captivating houseplant. By understanding its needs and providing proper care, you can enjoy this tropical beauty for years to come. So, bring a touch of the tropics into your home and relish the vibrant colors the Anthurium Andraeanum has to offer. Remember, I'm always here to answer any further questions you might have about the Anthurium Andraeanum or other houseplants. Happy planting!